You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this blended beverage, a drink from Starbucks, chips with coffee, milk and ice. If you want to learn more names, so mocha sauce, more names from Starbucks, make sure to stay tuned. We got them all here. Many are confusing and mispronounced. Java Chip Frappuccino. That's the English pronunciation. In Italian, Frappuccino. Java Chip Frappuccino. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.